Britain. America is ran by Great Britain. Great Britain conquered the whole known world. Great Britain conquered all Africa, all Asia, all the Caribbean. You know what I'm saying? That's why Jamaica, just called Jamaica. That's why all the Caribbean countries is renamed after Spanish names. St. Kitts and St. Neves and St. Thomas and St. Dominguez and New Mexico. Them are Spanish names. Puerto Rico and Cuba and Dominican Republic and Haiti, and those are Spanish names because Spain and Great Britain, these are the same people. And when they conquered, they renamed all the land after them. Literally. All that shit. Belize and Colombia and Peru and Chile and Brazil and da-da-da-da. And America. These are Spanish names. All this shit ran by Great Britain. Even to this day. That's why when the king and queen would come over here, they get treated better than the president. Every time the king and queen throw something to Great Britain, you see the president of America going over there and attending because that's who runs this shit. That's the royal family. Those are people that lock me up right now for me exposing and saying stuff like this. So what I'm trying to get y'all to see is how the fuck can the 13 colonies, which were British colonies, want their independence from Great Britain? What the fuck was Great Britain doing to them to make them not want to be a part of Great Britain? They came over here to help Great Britain conquer the land from us. Y'all with me? They literally came over here. They were sent over here by Great Britain to conquer the land from us, the Aboriginal beings. Then they get over here and now all of a sudden you telling me they don't want to be a part of Great Britain no more? How? Because if you want to be technical, they turned themselves to the 13 colonies became the United States. And the United States went on to do what? Conquer more land from us and kill more of us and drug us and enslave us in our land. And they fucking did that. They went from 13 colonies, 13 states to 50 states, didn't they? So they still set out to do their mission that they initially came over here to fucking do. Didn't they enslave us in the land even more? We was at war with them, yes, and some of us that would get caught became slaves. That's how you get your African slavery storyline that they talk about in American history. Right? Right? So, that's bullshit. Right, the whole right there, you know, that's bullshit. Now you already know, hold on. We celebrating Independence Day, the day that Britain gained independence from their damn self. That's basically what you're saying. Because Great Britain wasn't taxing Great Britain. Great Britain was taxing our ass. We was the ones being taxed. If you a motherfucking fool, if you think Great Britain sent their own people over here and then they got over here and they made their own people pay tax. No, they sent their people over here. When they came on our land, they came over here raping us, killing us. We started warring with them. They started trying to make us accept their religion. They started making us accept their Bible. They started trying to make us wear regular clothes and shoes and dress like them. They started removing our culture. They started making us trying to pay taxes.
You have 1 minute left.
The whole nine. We would have been the ones to say, hold on, man, we declare our independence. We ain't with y'all. What y'all got going on? So why is that story not said in American Revolution when they talk about Independence Day? That's not the story that's being told, though. That's not the way the story is being told. They saying that Great Britain got over here and decided to gain independence from their goddamn self. But when you look at the American flag, it's just like Great Britain flag, same colors, red, blue, and white, same structure, just a little different. Even to this day, pay attention now, guys and family. President don't run this country. The king and queen of the royal family runs this country in the whole world. That's a fact. So why are we celebrating Independence Day? What's really going on? What's really going on? This ain't about no Great Britain separating from themselves.
Thank you for using Securus. Goodbye.
Yeah, we back. So, yes, that's to fool you. I told you. Satan, that nigga cold, y'all. He's a cold-blooded liar. Let's see, he good at it. He's a great deceiver. See what I'm saying? He didn't flip the story. We was taught in school that the whole American Revolution was about Great Britain gaining the 13 colonies gaining independence from Great Britain. Mind you that the 13 colonies were Great Britain, right? Then they trick us into believing that the 13 colonies went on to become England. England was already formed before the Great Britain sent the ships over here. What are you talking about? All right? England, Spain, France, all of that is ran by Great Britain. All of that are the original 13 tribes or 12 tribes of Israel. That's who runs all that. Europe. the European power. Peace to the gods and goddesses of the planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibrational human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.